Hey guys, today I will show you how you can run Google search campaign for your plumbing service. So let's dive in. First of all, what we have to do? We have to go to our ad account ads.google.com. Then you have to click on sign in. Then we have to select ad account. First of all, let's make a note what we will do. Okay, what we have to do, we will targeted location, targeted service area, USA, language English, service keyword. We will do keyword research, no problem. Plumbing service. Our budget, let's start with small amount and then we will increase the budget day by day. Budget $20. and our ad copy will be created by ourselves, no problem. Ad copy. Okay, so let's dive in. First of all, let's do keyword research. So I mean keyword planner. So let's do keyword research first. Click on discover new keyword, then write plumbing service, plumbing service, location interested, New York. Okay, we will delete this one and then save and then get result. So we'll get a keyword from here, so we will copy this keyword, okay, we will copy keyword from here, which is low CPC and a high search volume, plumbing service. So select this and then copy and we'll keep it here. Keyword. Okay, so let's start creating campaign. First of all, what we have to do, we need to click on plus icon, then create new campaign. We'll create campaign for our leads because service-based company use leads campaign, and then it will be definitely submit lead form. If you want, you can also do for calls. Then it will be search campaign definitely. Then it will be a website, and let me put website, and campaign name will be number search campaign. You can put any name, yeah. No problem. Then start new. It will be conversion because we use conversion for service based company. Then you don't need to do anything on here. If you want to set a target cost per action, it's optional. You don't need to do at the beginning. So it will be only on search network because we don't want to show on display network, and only USA, no, only USA, not only USA, Newark only, because we want to show only Newark people. And language definitely English. Audience segment don't need to do anything here. If you want, you can do definitely more setting. We don't need to do anything here because you can edit, start it and end it from here. It will be continue, and if you put it pause on one click. More setting, add schedule all the day. If you want, you can run according to your day, like 8 to 5 o'clock, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then if you want, you can do anything on here. Then next, then first of all we need to put the keyword here. So create myself. Okay, so here's some keyword suggested, but we will not use this one, and we will use this keyword that we have searched before and use it. Okay, now keyword is ready. What we'll do, okay, so our final domain is here, and we will do here display path plumbing service. You can put it anything like you want to show your audience, and here is it's showing this. Let me make this. Okay, now perfect. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll give this one, we can use plumber your service. Okay, also you can use it from here, plumbing contractor near me. Okay, then hot water tank, all our plumbing, and maintenance, water heater maintenance. You can use as many as you want, no problem. Shower replacement near me. Water heater installation near me. And last one, plumbing and heating near me. Okay, now we need to give some description in 90 character. Okay, we will use ChatGPT on it. Okay, we will write write 10 Google Ads description in 90 character for this word. Okay, now perfect. Now affordable plumbing service. Add only 4 you can put, no problem. Affordable one. Now trusted local plumber. Okay, all perfect. Now if you want to use your logo, you can use it from here. Now we'll make some side link and call out extension on ad. Okay, let me show you how the ad is made already. Okay, now here is a preview, you can see, and here is the estimated result, you can see. Okay, so now we will make some site link on here. Okay, here my previous all extension that you see. Okay, now we will create new one. Create. Okay, let's use ChatGPT. Now give me some site link, add site link, text. Okay, perfect. Now we can use plumbing, emergency plumbing. You know, ChatGPT is very helpful for us nowadays. Okay, emergency plumbing. Schedule appointment. Okay, schedule appointment. And maintenance plans. Okay, .com is the final URL. Okay, and second site link, free quote. Okay, free quote and our service, customer reviews. We will create 3 setting. Okay, now what is this? Second description line. Finally we are the same. And then third, if you want you can add more site link, no problem. screen cleaning. Contrast. Okay, now a special offer, we can use it in both places, no problem. Special offer, and schedule appointment. Okay, now click on create. All perfect, you can see this all side link are here. Okay, now if you want you can create more from here. Okay, I am using this for, and now you can see the outlook from here. Okay, okay, all perfect. And then we can create call out action also. So this my previous call out action that I was created in previous campaign. So create new call out action. Let me take the help from ChatGPT. Now give me text for call out extension. Okay. Friendly, eco-friendly solution, and senior discounts. Now all perfect, and save, then apply. Okay, all perfect. Now, let's see once again how is. Okay, this is the outlook, and you can see the quality score from here. Quality score, and now we'll do next. You can click here on down. All perfect. So then click on next. Then this is our daily budget. Yeah, confirm. This will be hassle. Okay, this is not my daily budget. Maybe it has changed in some way. Let me click on $20. Okay. Okay, so here the estimated result you can see. Cost per conversion will be above $4. Weekly 140, all perfect. Then we will see all the details that we have selected in here, that we have selected new word English, then keyword 100 keyword we have used, then $20 budget, one ad campaign created, so all things here that we have created already. So and in this page when it will be loaded and you will get publish button, when you will click on publish, then it will be gone for review, and after that your ad will be live. So this is how you can run your campaign for your plumbing service or plumbing company as you want. And if you need any kind of tutorial, you can ask me, I will try to make for you. Okay, thank you, bye bye.